Every jacket starts with one animal. This one, Fane, is different. Bring them out.
Easy now.
Keep them to the rail. Watch the sides. Slow.
Right check, flag.
Hold the lead. Let him set it. Copy that. Proceed with loading. Okay, let's go. Forward, boy.
Forward.
Steady, big fella.
Steady, south-sea and switch command.
To the ramp. Steady. Tag the lead.
Tag the system.
Select number 1. Easy up, one at a time.
At the front structures, race and do the charging freight trend start.
Last one. Hold the line.
So pick Mitchell or Shancer X-ray spray.
All aboard. Secure the ramp.
Lock set. Rolling out. Arriving. Open the gate.
Ramp down. Bring them out.
Into the checkup bay.
Vitals normal. Cleared. Coats premium.
Density reading 1.32.
Cleared. Move them to feed.
Fresh feed.
Fresh feed in.
Feeding done. Wash them down. Warm water. Gentle. Brush it through. Get it clean.
Rinse and dry. Clean and healthy.
Hides in. Start intake. Select number 1, front of the line. Soak vats up. Increase pressure. Hold that level. Liming bath ready. Lower them in.
Fleshing line 2 active. Length reading 2.3 meters.
Grade A to jackets.
Grade B to wallets.
Copy.
Load the drums. Begin tanning. Speed steady at 32 RPM.
Liquor at 42 degrees. Holding.
Drum. 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 Drum.
Drawing them out. Rich brown now. Moisture at 18%. Copy that. Drum.
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 Drum. Thickness 1.4 millimeters. Grain variation within tolerance.
1 hide scarred. Secondary.
cut to pattern, both lines.
Drum.
Drum, drum.
Skive the edges. Thin them down. Stitching line loaded. Begin. Tension steady. Edge paint smooth. Confirmed.
Buffing done. Grain near perfect.
Emboss centered. Select number 1.
Drum.
Drum.
Tensile passed. 24 newtons.
Stitch density spot on. Standard passed.
Embossing uneven. Reject that one.
Texture perfect. Consistency spot on.
Drum.
Drum. Drum. Drum. Drum.
Drum,
Drum. Drum.
Drums.
Ready to pack.
Boxing sequence. Handle with care.
Container 40, ready for port.
All checks complete. Ready for shipment. Drum.
Direct X3 from the 38 information silence inside fuel torch.
Drum.
One animal, one hide, one story Kelly, home again.